Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run the Mac in Apple Diagnostics. So first you need to do is you need to turn off your Mac. So already my system is turned off. Now you want to start Apple Diagnostics. What you need to do is you need to press the power key and immediately press the D command and hold it until it will display the Apple Diagnostics screen. So I will just press this power button and hold the Shift D key. So you can release the key, and now you can see here it's asking me to connect to a network. So I will choose my network, Wi-Fi network here. Enter your Wi-Fi network key. So it is saying starting internet recovery. This may take a while. So it's asking me to choose the language. So I will choose English as a language to diagnostic. And it is giving me option to run the diagnostic. So let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, so it's asking me to run the diagnostic. So it is giving me two options. One is the run offline and one is I agree. So I agree will take you to the online diagnostic, and run offline will run the diagnostic offline. So I will choose the run offline version, and it has started checking the Mac. So it will take around 3 minutes. So the diagnostic is completed and it is saying as no issue found and giving a reference code of ADP000. So what you can do is you can just shut down your computer or restart, and it will start in the normal mode. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.